Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, this one remains very, very active, and today, not the greatest day. It wasn't a terrible day, but you know, for those of you that watched my past videos, you know that recently there was a trendline break, and now today didn't really get that much continuation of the break and essentially went back to kind of where it was. But on the same token, it's not like the price totally crashed back down to, you know, previous lows or anything like that. But all that brings about the reasoning of why this level here at 390 in my mind is a very important level of support going forward. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but the reason why I would consider this level very important is if the price were to come down to 390 and then just continue on down, what would that then be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, it would be putting the price quite literally right back to where it was before this nice breakout movement happened here. I mean, you got to give credit where credit's due. When the price broke above there, that was a fantastic move. But again, going back to where it was, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. Once more, not saying that's what's going to occur, but that is why me personally, I would consider 390 a very important level of support going into Friday and then next week. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing really new here to report from the previous videos I've done. It's all about that pink line right there, which on my chart represents the very famous, the very well-known 200 period moving average, and that is currently valued at $14, or not $14, but $4.14. So watch that going forward. But in my opinion, top priority right now, not necessarily breaking through the 200 period moving average. It's just all about trying to go through a healthy consolidation and build that higher base. So as long as the price can stay above 390, you know, in my mind, the chart remains healthy, and that's what you want to see, you know, kind of to get set up going into next week. So 390, definitely a very important level. But then, yeah, if the price does decide to start to head back upwards, keep a close eye on that 200 period moving average. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.